guys, welcome back to my YouTube unboxing. Today we're gonna be unboxing a diff, so let's get into it. So here's the diff we're gonna be unboxing, guys. Bruh, I sound like James Charles. Let's go. Focus, please. Yo, so what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube unboxing channel. So we're going to be unboxing this diff. It came on a pallet. It's really light. Let's just get into it. People just rip off and stuff. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, this is just incredible, guys. Oh, what do you know? Oh wow. Oh, what do you... Oh, look at that. Oh. Wow, it came with a free ratchet strap. Very cool. How cool is that, guys? So this is a 4.375 ratio R180 open diff out of an S13. I'm going to put it into my S13 because it's going to be gangster and it's nice and light and everything, and I can just throw it around. I reckon this is just going to be a fun time. We might even weld this dog up someday because, you know, power delivery, no other reason, it's just power delivery. I have that consistent power delivery with both wheels spinning at the same rate. So, you know, I think that's what we'll do. Otherwise, we will find another 4.3 diff and weld that. So we have two 4.3 diffs. Wow! Hey, thanks for watching this amazing video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed. And, you know, just remember, if you're not feeling like you're having a good time, talk to someone, do something you like, and just remember to be yourself, because that's what really matters. And, yeah, I hope you're all doing a banger time. Have fun. Catch ya on the flip.